So as you can see, I've added a lot of cotton balls to make kind of like a clouds around Cloud City. But now I found a new material. This isn't a snow blanket, it's called batting. And I think it's what you're supposed to put inside like blankets or pillows. But anyway, you can rip it. You can rip it and rip it. And then it turns all wispy like clouds. And I'm going to use that to cover this and make it look like it's part of a cloud. Alright, and there's the finished Cloud City with Lando standing guard. And there's the skyscrapers of the city going around. There's a real tall one to match the height of the projector. And then we dive down. And oh no, there's Luke Skywalker. He's holding on, waiting for the Millennium Falcon to pick him up. I can still turn this on. You gotta tell me where to hang this to make it look cool.
Oh, but I'm gonna be on video. I don't want.
Yeah, so it would
I
look
like
better
that.
like that. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm able to take this down, take all this down, just in case I need to do some more work on the elevator when it undoubtedly starts malfunctioning again. With Cloud City and the Felucia water treatment facility, every major piece of theming has been finished.